Hello everyone. Here's a video on today's live trades, what I've taken in what stocks, and also we'll be doing a market analysis for tomorrow. So today there's no loss and no profit. Although my profit was around more than 100 rupees, but by two wrong trades I have lost all the amount. So no issues. Mistakes only will keep on growing my analysis. So two stocks I have been trading today, and I have taken only 4 trades today, 2 for Godrej and 2 for Tata Steel. So compared to yesterday my loss was around 50 rupees, but today at least I don't have any losses, no profit. So that's a good thing for me, as what 4 trades I've taken, I know what mistakes I've done. So that's a good thing, because if we take trades and if the trade goes in loss, and if we don't know how we got in loss, where we have entered, where we have exited, so that's a bad sign for us. So after getting the trade in loss, if we get it like what mistakes we have done, so that's a good thing, and next time we'll keep on implementing those plus points on our next trades. So things has to be keep on improving in our trades. Okay, so we'll show you our trades, what my analysis was for taking those trades. We'll open the chart now. We'll first show the Godrej, as Godrej today has opened a sideways market, but the momentum was continue in bearish. Once this pivot point crosses, I've taken the trade over here on this side. My profit was around, my target was around this, and my stop loss was around this only. My profit was over here, and I achieved the targets over here, but still the momentum was continuing bearish. So again I've taken a trade in the second half, as I thought the market is continuing going down. I've taken a trade over here once this pivot point crosses, and then I've taken a trade over here, and my stop loss was around 4 points, and my target was around 8 points. But as this crosses over here, this crossed over here, I thought I should exit, because I was doing something else also, and that's a bad thing while doing trades. We should be keen on concentrating the trades while we take. So I need to improve that, and I'll keep on improving that. So after that the market was continuing going bearish only, and it could have hit my target also, and it could have given me around more 100 rupees around, because over here only my profit was around 50. So till over here the profit could have been around 100 rupees, so no issues. And then the market was continuing going a volatile market, and the strong support was there, a pivot point. So in Tata Steel, as the market has opened and a big gap up. So once again my first trade in this was in loss, as the momentum was what I was feeling at. It's making a triangle. As this market goes down, the momentum was up and down continuing, and once this crosses, and it will get a reversal up, and the momentum will go down. So like yesterday, what mistake I've done in the first triangle form pattern, I've taken a trade for a short, but it got in loss like yesterday and today also. And the same mistake was done, but I know what mistake I have done at least. So the momentum was continuing down. When this crosses over here, I've taken the trade on this green bearish candle, the second candle, and till here the market was continuing going down, and then I trailed my stop loss, and I got a little bit more closer to my entry, and once this crosses over here, this got crossed over here, I exited my trade. I thought the momentum is going continue up, so that what happened. But later on the market was continue going down. As like yesterday, one mistake I've done, I shouldn't repeat that mistake, but at least I know what mistake I've done. And then again one more trade we have taken in this only. Once the market was had touched pivot point and it got up the bullish momentum, a big candle, we have taken trade on this only. On this we have taken a trade. So I thought the market will go up as the pivot point is there, but it didn't happen like that, and I've exited my trade on that only. And then the market was continue going down. It forms a head and shoulder kind of pattern. Once this crosses, the market was continue going down. Again a head and shoulder pattern was formed, and the market was going continue up. So while doing analysis, so while actually being live in trade, we might make some mistakes, but that's beneficial for us, as mistakes only will keep on improving our learnings. So two trades in this and two trades in Godrej we have taken, and tomorrow we can see a little bit gap down, but the market can go up and then be a volatile in the range of pivot points. Also I've given the targets, which was yesterday's targets, also the same target we have taken. We'll show in Godrej. We can see a up moment tomorrow, as the market is going continuing sideways only. So tomorrow we can see a bull moment or a volatile market. So we'll wait for our price action and also our pivot points, what the forms, and these are the targets which I've given. And the sideways market if open, then might be market can go till here, and then again it was back, then can see a volatile. As per the candle forms, the price action, we have to follow that only. The targets for Nifty and Bank Nifty, as Nifty today has opened a big gap up. Also it was in a kind of second half volatile only. So first it got up and then continued rallying into our yesterday analysis kind strong resistance. So we can see a bearish momentum, as the market is going continue up momentum. So might be tomorrow we might see a bearish and then a volatile market. We'll wait for our price action. Tomorrow can see a bearish momentum. In Bank Nifty we can see a little bit gap down, but the market can go up continue, as the closing was a bit bullish only. So the market opens gap down and it forms good green candles, then up movement can be done. Otherwise if it forms a bearish candles, big good candles, then we can see a bearish momentum, little bit more bearish in first half, and then in the second half a volatile can be happen. Okay traders, we'll wrap up the video now. Also if you want to open a demat account, you can open your account in Zerodha or Upstocks. As a user I prefer more Zerodha, as it gives me clear idea, clear charts, whatever the basic things I need in basic way, I get it in the Zerodha. Also if you want to earn some money without any investment, you can open your account in Upstocks. Upstocks is giving per account opening 300 rupees. Whoever I'll give the link of both Zerodha and Upstocks in the description. You can open your account in those two, and once you open your account in Upstocks, search the refer option, and you can refer to your friends and family, and once they open the account, they you will get 300 rupees per account. As many you share the links, as many people they create the account, you will keep on getting income without any investment. So that's a good option for us for generating our income. Do check it out, our description. Okay traders, will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye.